Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Arbitrum Bridge, transfer assets across chains step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Arbitrum Bridge website. Ensure you have a compatible crypto wallet installed, such as MetaMask. Click on the Connect Wallet button located at the top right corner of the page. Select your wallet from the provided options. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet to the Arbitrum Bridge. Once connected, check the balance of the selected wallet to ensure you have assets to transfer. Choose the asset you wish to transfer from the drop-down menu. Specify the amount you want to bridge. Select the destination chain for your assets. Review the transaction details, including gas fees and total amount. If everything looks correct, click on the Transfer button to initiate the transaction. Confirm the transaction in your wallet interface. Wait for the transaction to be processed and completed. After the transfer is confirmed, you can view your assets on the destination chain. For any assistance, refer to the Support or Help section on the Arbitrum Bridge website. Remember to check the status of your transaction in your wallet to ensure everything is in order. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into the Arbitrum Bridge and transferred your assets across chains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.